Hi, I'm Vilas Wakhare. I stay at Badlapur. Although I did my master's in organic chemistry, I was equally interested in the field of electronics since my childhood and I continued to develop it as a hobby. After retiring as a senior research scientist from the world's largest chemical company called BASF, it became my passion to spend more and more time with the children for their betterment in the field of electronics by arranging different basics and advanced electronic courses like workshops for them whenever and wherever it was possible for me to arrange. Now the entire world is going digital and our country is also keeping a pace with the rest of the world in terms of developing different technologies. As we know that electronics plays a very important and indispensable role in the development of any technology, knowing the basics of electronics would certainly help our children to understand the fundamentals of any technology wherever the electronics is involved. These workshops might help the children to choose the right career path for them if they find themselves interested in the field of electronics. Recently, I got an opportunity to conduct a couple of such basic electronic workshops at St. Anthony Convent Higher Secondary School situated at Badlapur West. And personally, I enjoyed the workshop as much as the students or the participants enjoyed it by learning new techniques and new things about electronics and by making exciting projects like a fire alarm, water level indicator, proximity sensor, automatic night lamp, etc. With their own hands. The surprise and happiness I saw on their faces was really amazing. Here I would like to thank Mrs. Poonam Patil Madam and her colleagues for their relentless efforts they took in arranging and coordinating the workshop for their children at their school premises. Last but not the least, my special thanks to school principal Lakshmi Madam for her initiative and interest she took in arranging these workshops. Thank you.